Action.
Hello, my dear students, and welcome back to another quick experiment. This is a famous and classic demonstration experiment called the Woosh bottle. You can do it with any bottle. People frequently do it with small glass bottles and different kinds of apparatus. I'm going to do it with a large, what we call carboy, 5-gallon 20-liter water bottle. And in this experiment, we're going to examine one of the concepts that we're trying to cover here at the end of the class called percent yield. So in this reaction, we're going to ignite an alcohol, in our case, isopropyl alcohol, and it's going to combine with oxygen in the air, and then it's going to produce carbon dioxide and water. And the question is, how much water am I going to produce? And so in the discussion part, I'll help you do those calculations, but we know that it's going to produce carbon dioxide and water. I have a dry, large carboy, so let's do our experiment and see how much water is produced from a small sample of isopropyl alcohol. So this experiment is very impressive. I won't say dangerous, but perhaps moderately dangerous in the sense that you are working with flame, and while it's not explosive, it is a very rapid combustion. Okay, so I'm going to put on my safety glasses, certainly for the combustion portion, but I need my reading glasses so that I can read the volume. So I have a 25 mil graduated cylinder, and I have a bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to measure out 20 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. And then we could weigh this, but I happen to know that its density is 0.78 grams per cubic centimeter, so we will use that value to get our mass so we can calculate number of moles of isopropanol reacted. Now, in this experiment, if you read the protocol posted online, it says add 20 to 30 mils, I'm going to go with 20 mils, of water to your container, and I'm just going to put this in here. You may not notice some of the things I'm doing to remain safe and to keep us safe. I'm going to shake that up in there and saturate the atmosphere inside here. If I put my hand down here, there is nothing coming out. I don't feel any wetness on my hand. It's contained within the atmosphere in there. And I'm going to light it and stand back. So here goes. Whoosh. Hence the term whoosh bottle. And now, if you look, you'll see there is a liquid in there. That liquid is liquid water. We will pour it into our graduated cylinder. If this will fit in there. Not quite. Let me get a smaller funnel. And we'll measure how much water we produce to calculate our percent yield. Okay, so there's our water. And you can't do this experiment again for a while, at least using this container, because it is filled with carbon dioxide now. And as I look at this water produced in the reaction, from those 20 mils of water, of alcohol, we produce about 10 milliliters of water. Yeah, there's probably a few drops back in there and some of it surely evaporated, but let's see what our percent yield is when we do our calculations in the next video. Goodbye now.